Let's draw the Lewis structure for C2H4. This is called ethane. The first thing we need to do to draw the Lewis structure for ethane, find the total number of valence electrons. The periodic table can help us do that. We find carbon, that's in group 14, sometimes called 4A. It has 4 valence electrons, and we have the 2 carbon atoms. Hydrogen right here, group 1, all of these elements have 1 valence electron. We have 4 hydrogens, so we have 8 plus 4, 12 total valence electrons for the C2H4 Lewis structure. When we draw Lewis structures, hydrogen atoms always go on the outside. So we're going to put our 2 carbons with 4 hydrogens around them, like this. Next, we're going to put a pair of electrons between the atoms. That's going to form our chemical bond. So far, we've used 10 valence electrons. We have 12, so we have 2 more. Let's complete the octets on the carbon. And actually, we've run out of valence electrons. This carbon has an octet, but this carbon only has 6. So what we can do, if the central atom doesn't have an octet, we can move some of the electrons from the other atoms. We can form double or triple bonds. Why don't we move this pair of electrons right here to the center and form a double bond? So now each carbon has 8 valence electrons, and we're only using 12 valence electrons. Hydrogens have 2, but they only need 2. So this is the Lewis structure for C2H4, ethane. Sometimes you'll see the double bond represented like this, where each line is a pair of electrons. If we looked at the molecular geometry, it would look like this. So we can see our carbons are spread out like this, and then we have the double bond there in the center. So that's the Lewis structure for C2H4, ethane. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.